Today, crores of youth are unemployed. The unemployment rate is at an all-time high. Youngsters have qualifications and degrees, but no work. Those who came to power by promising 2 crore jobs every year have forgotten their promises.
हम चाहते हैं छोटे छोटे कारखानों का जाल बिछे, छोटे छोटे कारखाने लगे, हर गांव गली मोहल्ले में रोजगारी का अवसर पैदा हो और नौजवान अपने ही इलाके में रोजगार कमाए।
There is a dearth of government jobs. And to top that, government's ill-planned lockdown snatched away the jobs of more than 12 crore people in one stroke. Not to forget, demonetization, GST have destroyed millions of small-scale industries and businesses, rendering millions of youth jobless. On the one hand, Modinomics has also hit the income of the common man severely, with per capita income falling drastically to minus 5.4%. And on the other hand, fees in government universities and colleges are constantly increasing. But to what use? Placement cells of universities and colleges have not been active, and of the students who got placed, many have still not joined. All in all, one can say education in this country has become employmentless in a way. After all this, the Modi government has managed to disappoint the students more with its budget 2021. The story of students under their state governments is even worse. If the students protest for jobs, the Bihar government declares that the students who agitate will not get government jobs. The government is recovering crores of rupees from students on the pretext of providing government jobs. The students put in years of hard work preparing for competitive examinations, but what happens at the end? Either the recruitment is stopped or they get stuck in the courts.
हम जितना पढ़ाई करते हैं और पढ़ाई करके जॉब की तैयारी करते हैं, लेकिन हमें उस टाइप का जॉब नहीं मिल पाता है और वैकेंसी नहीं आ पाती है। हम मोदी सरकार से यही अनुरोध करेंगे कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वैकेंसी निकाले और हम सभी पर ध्यान दें और हम सभी का नौकरी और हम सबका बेरोजगारी हटाए और हमें नौकरी दें।
To undo all these wrongs and to ensure the prosperous future of our nation, the Modi government should heed to these demands of the students. Vacant seats in government sector should be filled immediately. Exorbitant fee hikes should be withdrawn immediately. Recovery from unemployed in the name of government recruitments should stop. Timely competitive examinations should be conducted. Placement cells should be activated. Those who have gotten placements should be given joining as soon as possible. The country has a singular demand. नौकरी दो या डिग्री वापस लो सरकार।